In this second example, I want to take another common data, sample data that ships with Tableau to help you with how to validate your answer to the first question. So here is the data that I've connected to world data indicators. If you're new to Tableau, the place to find it is click on new data source, and this is where you find this. So sample data superstore, sample superstore, as well as world indicators. Yeah, so if you look at this, so let's start off by double clicking here. So we got number of records, it's 2704 records. So let's add this to the color also at the beginning itself, so we can see it is also saying the same thing. So now let's break this number down, right? So we do not know anything about this data set. I have taken this also because there are a number of times there's nobody to answer this question for you, right? What does number of records mean? And based on our understanding, we can take guesses at what it means, and then we can actually validate our answers. So here, world indicators. So we are looking at a lot of different indicators, health indicators, development indicators, GDP and stuff. So that must be at the country level. So let's double click on country. So here is this bar chart. So as soon as you add a number, I would like to swap this so that, as soon as you add a dimension, I'd like to swap this so that you can probably easily read this. And what's surprising is every single country has 13 records, so that's very uniform, unlike our previous data set where we had these uneven stuff going on. Really, if I clear this filter, so we had all this, things going on. So here everything is uniform. So then we see there's region and year. Those are the only two other dimensions. Region is an attribute of the country, so which means it's at a higher level. So let's click on year. So I double clicked on year. Now the number of records has come to 1. So that means the country and the year combination. So each record, carries for a country, for a year, all these indicators. That's the meaning of this, right? So if we started off with asking, so what does a single record mean? It means the statistics captured at a country and year level. So that's the answer to this question. I hope with these two different types of examples, you are able to get a sense of how to validate the answer to your first question about number of records. This is something I recommend that you do in every single project. As I start to get into Tableau in the upcoming videos and I introduce new data sources, I will come back to this question, and then we'll try to answer these questions so that this becomes a second nature for you.